Hi, so I'm here now with a couple guys from FotoFlexer. Can you guys introduce yourselves and tell us a little bit about photoflexer.com?
Yeah, sure. I'm Tracy, Wang.
And I'm Heston, Liebowitz. And FotoFlexer is an online image editor, and it has some very powerful and really fun effects that allow you to edit your photos right within Orkut and then share them with your friends.
So can you guys talk a little bit about why you're deciding to build on the OpenSocial platform? Like why you guys are writing a gadget for your site when you have photoflexer.com?
Sure. FotoFlexer lends itself really well to the social graph because people are always sharing their photos, and it's a very social thing to do, is to take photos at parties or with your friends or with family and then want to share them with people. And naturally, when you have photos, you also want to edit them. So putting an editor right within Orkut is a great way to bring the convenience of photo editing, but also bring the power of the social graph to your photos. So we felt that was a really nice match.
Can you talk about your experience programming with the gadget model? Like how complicated it was, how easy it was?
Sure. I mean, FotoFlexer is built with Adobe Flex, so the actual editor and the albums page is compiled into like a nice little package, SWF. And Google provides a pretty clean API with a JavaScript call, so you can just script it into the loader and load the SWF, and that's pretty much how we've been doing it. And I think that using Flash has been especially convenient in this case because it's a very clean hook into the Orkut interface and not too much hassle work with the API.
Where do you see FotoFlexer within Orkut? Like what's the next steps? Like where do you see it 6 months out? Like what would you like to build into it?
Well, I think that FotoFlexer is going to continue evolving. We're going to continue adding requested features, more fun color effects, more fun distortions, and things of that nature. We also want to see it take on a new viral dimension, so people will be able to edit photos with their friends, hopefully tag them, and then be able to put them into their friends' activity streams or send photo messages or things of that nature. So I'd be really excited to see some of that functionality developed on the Orkut side so we can take advantage of it.
Great. Can we see what you guys have now?
Sure, of course. So here we are in FotoFlexer on Orkut, and you can see there's an Orkut tab right here. We also integrate with a number of other services, and those tabs are listed as well, such as Picasa, PhotoBucket. And then here are the albums that I've loaded from my Orkut album. And I can see my other friends' albums too just by clicking on this pull-down menu. So here are my friends, and if I click on them, their photos will load up. So here's a photo I have, and I'll just click on Flex It, and this is going to load up the photo into the FotoFlexer editor. So it'll just take a second here. Okay, so here we are with the photo. We have a whole suite of basic tools, stuff that you'd expect, crop, rotate, that sort of thing. We also support layers, so it's easy to load in multiple images and create fun compositions. We have a number of great and easy to use color effects, so I can just click once and I can turn this into an artistic looking painting. I can click pop art and turn it into an Andy Warhol-esque painting. That's really popular.
Mm-hmm.
We also have some fun distortions. So here's Bulge, and you can see as I drag it over the image I have a live preview of what it's going to do. And this is a really popular tool, so I can kind of make her head like a balloon. Or alternatively, we have Pinch, which does the opposite. Those are really fun. And we support text, so you can add captions to your photo just by typing in the text that you want. And we have some advanced features as well. These are things that you won't find anywhere else. Like you can morph two images together. We also integrate with webcams. So if you have a webcam on your computer, you can grab photos from anywhere. Anywhere you have your computer, that is. And I want to show off one of our favorite features called Smart Resize. And this is a fantastic feature if you have a party photo, you have a photo with friends or family, and there's somebody in the background, maybe it's a travel photo from a vacation, and you want to get rid of that person because you don't know who they are, but you don't want to crop the photo because then you're going to ruin the composition. So it's really easy to use. I'll just select the photo, and then you see that remove is enabled, and I will just paint over here with my brush, and it's turning red. And I select all the areas that I want to remove, and then I just click the Go button. And you can see that the red area is getting smaller, but the overall image is not changed. And when it's finished, you'll see that the composition is maintained. There's no distortion of the image, but that person is now magically gone. And there we go. So this is before, and this is after. So it's a really fun effect. It's a really powerful effect. It's only on FotoFlexer, and now it's coming to Orkut. It's a great way to play with your photos and share them with your friends. FotoFlexer also offers live webcam support. So if I click on the webcam button here, it'll load up a window, and here I am. Let's see if we can get Tracy in as well. Okay, there we go. And we can apply some live effects here. So I'll click on, let's say, the Bulge tool. And in real time, it's applying Bulge to my image.
That's really attractive.
I know. More popular is the Pinch tool, which makes you look really tiny. Or Sketch. So this is like a pencil drawing, but you can see it's being applied to the video. And we also have Twirl. So let's say I want to capture this photo. All I have to do is hit capture, and then I can click keep, and it'll put it right into the editor, and here's my image. So I can continue playing with it. I can apply color effects to it as if I'd imported it. And what's most fun is when I'm done with this, I can then save it back out to Orkut, and I can share it with my friends. And it's a really fun way to use your webcam and have fun with Orkut.
Great, awesome. Thanks for showing us your app. Is there anything else that you'd like to say about the gadgets or FotoFlexer?
Well, I can say that we're really excited to be part of Orkut, and we've had a lot of fun, and we've learned a lot developing gadgets. So we encourage other developers to try it out too.
Great, thanks a lot.
Thank you.